Pictures work great. Fucking. Instead there's 4 more, he's bringing in fucking.
That's nice. That's little right there.
And that's how you create your own pipe.
Yeah, when I come through fucking. Then I come through real slow, fucking that shit get hot, fucking it just fucking break back down,
If
fucking.
we could drill that bitch to this motherfucker, that would be
What?
amazing.
We about to tell
What?
you.
Get that good ass.
So I ain't
So
gonna.
you can get a good angle at the bitch, you know?
Fucking. I can get a good angle, fucking. I can get a good angle.
I mean,
Gotta
it's
fucking-
real fucking tedious with my
fucking-
shit. I'm gonna make sure that bitch is fucking. Here I go. We're going from this
Yeah, fucking.
to this. From this
Fucking, yeah.
to this to this. Bitch, let's get it.
Oh, YouTube channel.
Fucking.
Hey man, go follow us at FTD_official page. That's FTD_official page.
Bitch. Yeah, fucking. Fucking bitch. Fucking.
I'm glad you ain't got no gas down here, bud. I was kind of out of turtle, boy. Cut the bud, you want your shit right.
Shit.
God damn, bud.
Fucking.
Go check your shit out real quick.
I already know.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, go check it out real quick. Yeah, you're right. Check it out.
Red light going.
Yeah,
Got
right.
the underglow going. Got the radio with the Bluetooth. Stop playing. You know what I mean?
Official. We ride hard this
Nigga
year,
got
man.
the brake light starter.
Oh
Stop
my
playing.
God, stop playing. We riding hard this year.
Customs, baby, customs.
Oh yeah, man. Go follow us at FTD_official page. My man right here, he gonna build you a custom bike. How you see him, you see what he doing, you feel me? He gonna build you a custom bike. You want your shit right. You know, you don't want none of that straight out the store, none of that. You want your shit right, you're gonna be riding. Trust me, you don't want that stock shit. Follow us at FTD_official page. You feel me?
Cool down. Beat 'em out.
It's just one of the bikes he built. He built all our bikes basically.
Yeah, I got a hot that fucking melted down fucking straight, fucking like that. Melted like straight down, fucking. I had that fucking pipe. That pipe was blowing fucking red just now, fucking doing that shit. Oh yeah, fucking.
Got
You think if I
the
have
Vice
a
President
photo
Demon, Big Hawaii right here. When y'all see Hawaii coming through, put some respect on his name. And we about to get the building.
We definitely coming out better than we was last year. For sure. Better and faster.
Definitely faster.
I ain't claiming we the fastest, but we got some niggas in the game that can blow some shit. So stay tuned.
You gotta get Bud. He's on YouTube channel too. He'll get 100,000 views. And listen, everything this man built on my bikes have not broke down. I'm telling you that. Everything he built for me have never broke down. Even my snowblower. I said snowblower wasn't working right. He made that motherfucker work 10 times better than the
Just that one right there.
my go-kart. This man made sure my go-kart was A1. Everything. This right here, this man, y'all ain't, oh my God, wait till you get down with this. Just remember this.
You gonna start letting me weld some shit.
This nigga not gonna weld nothing. Don't let that nigga do nothing, bud.
You sound crazy as hell, but got fucking mini bikes put together in 4 hours.
Man, but don't let that man do nothing, man. Trust me.
The only thing I gotta learn how to do is just put some tires on.
She said, yeah, that putting tires on.
You gotta have a technique for that shit, no cap.
Yeah, we out here with the demons just cooling, man. Out here blogging with the
Hey,
demons.
shout out to all my demons out there,
Yeah,
you know what
man.
I'm saying?
FTD.
We all over the place. Chicago, Hawaii,
Yeah.
goddamn,
LA, you feel me?
Detroit. You know?
Detroit. We out here, man. Stay tuned, man.
Yeah, we'll show you the end result.